Brazilian wool is the new game changer. In this particular video, I am going to show you guys how you can do your invisible locks with Brazilian wool. This tutorial video is beginners friendly. If you're a beginner, you can easily do this following all the steps I'm going to show you guys in this video. If it sounds like something you'll be interested in, then join me. Let me show you how you can easily do your invisible locks with the normal Brazilian wool. So guys, the first thing I did was to part my hair. Depending on the volume of hair you want, that will determine what you should do while parting your hair. So mine is not the smallest size but not a bigger size. So after parting my hair, I have to clip the remaining hair so that it doesn't obstruct me while I am walking. Then I have to smoothen the hair. I have to smoothen my hair. The next thing I did was to get my Brazilian wool. I'm making use of 9 pieces. You can make use of any number you prefer. What it means that I will be working with 3 against 6. What I mean is this: I will be crossing 3 with against 6, meaning I will have 6 for the 3 both sides. So the next thing is to do your normal Bob Marley, okay? With the wool, just go ahead and braid your hair from the root using Bob Marley. After you braid finish, you're not going to braid it to a tip, just a little at the base, okay, little Bob Marley at the base. Then the next thing is for you to get 1 piece of the wool and use it to thread that particular place you braided. Okay, the Bob Marley you did, just use 1 piece to thread it, just like you do when you doing your threading hairstyle. Okay, thread it to the base. When you get to the base, then you return back to your start point. I hope you guys understand. Just follow what I'm doing in this video. This video is very detailed. It's beginners friendly. Even though you have not done this before, if you follow all the steps here I'm showing you, definitely you'll get it. Then the next thing is for me to pick one separate tool again and then start to make sure that my hair is well covered with the wool. After that, I have to twist the whole hair against that particular one single wool. Okay, this is simple. Watch what I'm doing. You twist and then you roll. You twist and then you roll. It's easy. Please make sure your natural hair is well covered with the wool. Then when you twist, you go ahead and draw it backwards, okay, sorry, upwards. You just draw it upwards, then you continue to twist and roll, twist and roll. Remember, making use of just one single wool, not any extra wool, just from the one you braided with, you did your Bob Marley with. Okay, you twist and roll and then you shift it upwards, just like what I show you guys in this video. So this is how you make this tutorial is about how to do your invisible locks new way. Guys, this is a new method of doing your invisible locks with Brazilian with the newest way and easiest cutest way to do your invisible locks with Brazilian wool. So when I get to the tip, exactly making sure that the ones I've done earlier is the same length. Then the next thing is for me to also pick one wool, then I start to thread it again. Thread the tip. You have to do this, okay? You thread the tip. So we have threading pattern at the base and then threading pattern and the tip at the tip. Then you knot it twice and go ahead and use your scissors to remove the excess. Okay, so this is what we got. I'll show you guys this the second time. Part your hair. Guys, if you followed me to this point, I know you are getting any value from this video. Please do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up, like the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and please share to your friends, and do not forget to subscribe if you are yet to join my family. turn on notification bell so that once I upload new videos you get notified. So guys, I am using 3 wool to cross it. If you're making use of 12 pieces, it means you use 4 to cross 8. That means you get 4 for the 3 parts, 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. If you are working with 15 pieces, it means you are going to use 5 to cross 10. Hope you guys understand. Okay, every part has to be the same number of wool. So after braiding, then I pick one to thread it again. I'm threading up to get to the base, and when I get to the base, I have to thread it again, coming down to where I started. That's my starting point. Guys, if you do not like this video, please, okay, use this point, use this period to just hit that like button. Then after threading, you can decide to knot it after the threading, okay, before doing this. But for me, I am not going to knot it so that when I am losing it, in case if you are doing it on someone's hair, you are the type that, or you are doing it on your own hair, you are the type that do lose your hair yourself. So there's no point knotting it so that when you are losing it, it's very, very easy for you to lose. Then you start to twist the whole hair we against their particular one wall. Okay, when you twist, then you move it upwards. Guys, it's easy. Just use this video as a guide, and definitely you will get the same result. You will get a better result, the one that is more better than mine. Okay, so just use this video as a guide, and definitely you will get the perfect invisible locks with Brazilian. Remember the Brazilian we are using, the normal Brazilian wool, not the Brazilian wool hair. Okay, so when I thread, when I twist, I move it upwards. When I twist, I move it upwards. Guys, you are always free to ask any questions. If at any point you are confused or you don't understand what I did, let me know in the comment section. There's no how I can know if you don't ask your questions. So this is simply how you can do your invisible locks with Brazilian wool. There's a new way you can twist your hair with Brazilian wool. Is beginners friendly, guys. I'll be dropping that tutorial video soon, so for you not to miss any of these, hit the like button, subscribe, turn notification bell so that once I upload new videos you will get notified. So guys, this is the beautiful outcome. Look at this, just look at this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next tutorial video, how you can twist your hair, the newest easiest way to twist your hair with Brazilian wool. Bye, and see you guys in my next video.